At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting an oyster farm can be an exciting venture, but it requires careful planning and execution. Here are some steps to help you get started. 1. Research and education. Learn everything you can about oyster farming, including different species, farming techniques, market demand, and regulations. Attend workshops, seminars, and training programs offered by universities, aquaculture organizations, or government agencies. 2. Develop a business plan. Outline your business goals, target market, products, and marketing strategies. Include financial projections, startup costs, operating expenses, and potential sources of funding. Consider the location of your farm, access to water, environmental conditions, and legal requirements. 3. Obtain necessary permits and licenses. Contact your local regulatory agencies to understand the permits and licenses required for oyster farming in your area. Ensure compliance with environmental regulations, zoning laws, and health and safety standards. 4. Secure funding. Determine how much capital you need to start and operate your oyster farm. Explore funding options such as personal savings, loans, grants, or investment from partners or stakeholders. 5. Select a suitable site. Choose a location with clean water, good tidal flow, and suitable substrate for oyster cultivation. Consider factors like accessibility, proximity to markets, and potential risks such as pollution or extreme weather events. 6. Set up infrastructure. Purchase or lease equipment and materials needed for oyster farming, such as cages, trays, bags, floats, and processing facilities. Install necessary infrastructure like docks, moorings, and hatcheries. 7. Source oyster seed. Find reputable suppliers or hatcheries to purchase oyster seed or spat, young oysters, for your farm. Consider the species of oysters that best suit your farming conditions and market demand. 8. Implement farming practices. Follow best management practices for oyster farming, including proper handling, feeding, and maintenance of oyster stock. Monitor water quality, temperature, and other environmental factors to ensure optimal growth and health of your oysters. 9. Market your products. Develop a branding strategy and packaging for your oysters. Build relationships with restaurants, seafood distributors, and retail outlets to sell your products. Consider direct marketing channels such as farmers markets, online sales, or community-supported agriculture (CSA) programs. 10. Adapt and expand. Continuously evaluate and adapt your farming practices based on feedback, market trends, and environmental conditions. Explore opportunities to diversify your product offerings or expand your operations as your business grows. Starting an oyster farm requires dedication, hard work, and patience, but with careful planning and execution, it can be a rewarding and profitable venture. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.